Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the COUNTIFS function in Excel, a powerful tool to count data based on multiple conditions. Let's get started. What is COUNTIFS? The COUNTIFS function counts the number of rows that meet two or more criteria. For example, if you have a list of students and you want to count how many are in grade 10 and scored more than 80 marks, COUNTIFS make it super easy. Let's say we have the following columns: name, class, score. Now we want to count how many students are in class 10 and have score greater than 80. Click on an empty cell and enter this formula. Now press enter and you will see the result. Let's say the result is 3. That means 3 students are in class 10 and have scored more than 80 marks. And that's it. The COUNTIFS function helps you analyze data smarter by applying multiple conditions. It's simple, fast, and super useful for reports and dashboards. Try it out in your sheet and see how it works. Thanks for watching.